Do you know that in Germany, kids have rights to protection, education, and even their voice being heard? But many families don't know these laws, and they can make a lot of difference if you do. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into child rights and laws in Germany. It's called Kinderrechte und Gesetze. And I know by the time we're done with this, you would start bringing this topic to your grown-up kids because they need to know their rights in Germany. And of course, in this video, we'll talk about why it is important for your kids to know the German law. What does the German law say about them? Let's dive into the video. Number one, it's called Recht auf Gleichheit. What does that mean? It simply means right to equality. All children have the right to be treated equally, regardless of race, religion, gender, and even social backgrounds. Number two, we have the Recht auf Gesundheit, right to health. Every child has the right to access clean water, nutritious food, health care, and live in a healthy environment. Very important. And number three, we have Recht auf Bildung. Bildung, education, right to education. Children have the right to free and fair education to support their developmental, stages and future opportunities. What about the number fourth one? It is the Recht auf Spiel und Freiheit, right to play and leisure. Every child has the right to rest, for leisure, and to participate in cultural and recreational activities. Very important. Germans don't play with this one, okay? They don't play. And number five, one of the most important laws for kids, Recht auf Schutz vor Gewalt, right to protection from violence. Children must be protected from physical, mental, emotional abuse, exploitation, and neglect. Very, very important. And I'm going to come back specifically for this child law or child rights number 5 later in the future and talk about it explicitly relating to African parents and African homes, because so many things are going on in Germany at the moment. So many families are losing their kids, and it is sometimes related to that law. So we have to come back to that and talk about it and discuss it. If you want to hear more about that, please leave it in the comment section. I would like to know. If not, then that means you guys are not interested. Let's go on. The number 6th law is Recht auf Meinungsäußerung. That's to say, right to express their opinion. Children have rights to express their opinion freely and participate in decisions affecting them. Children have rights. That's why you see German kids from a very young age, they are able to express themselves freely, to talk about what they like, talk about what they don't like, express their emotions and their feelings. And that is important. That's the type of environment you want to bring up your kids in, where you are able to express yourself. You are not always locked up and told keep quiet and shut up and all that. No, you give them the opportunity to express themselves, and then if there needs to be correction, you correct them accordingly as well. Okay. The number 7th law is the Recht auf Privatsphäre. That's the right to privacy. Every child has the right to privacy, including protection of their personal data, family, and home. Very important. Number 8 law is Recht auf Betreuung und Vorsorge. Right to care and protection. Children have the right to parental care, a safe home, and support from the government if needed. This one also, the government, don't joke with it. If you are not giving your child a safe home, a right to, parental guidance, if you're not doing that, the government is going to step in and help you do it for you. help you to take care of your child. And I don't think any parent wants that their child is taken from them and put in a place where it's probably uncomfortable for the child to live in. Seriously, as parents, we should know the law we want our kids to know and to be aware of, right? And to defend. So it's important you know the law and know how to implement it in your own dealings with your children. The number 9th law is Recht auf Schutz im Krieg und auf der Flucht. That's right to protection during war and refugee status. So children must be protected in times of conflict and given, support when they are refugees or displaced. So it's important that kids are protected at all times. At all times, okay? The number 10th law is Recht auf Schutz vor Ausbeutung. That's to say, right to protection from exploitation. Germans don't joke with that. There is no underage marriage happening anywhere here. There is no underage exploitation of kids in trafficking, and all these things that affect the child's rights and child's well-being. It is not allowed. Children have the right to be protected from child labor, sexual exploitation, and trafficking. These rights ensure the safety, dignity, and development of every child. Germany strongly enforces these principles through its laws and policies to create a supportive environment for children. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, okay, for more tips on life in Germany. Let's raise informed and empowered kids together. See you guys in my next one. Bye for now.